what's up guys, I'm PJ Tamble, and today I just wanted to make a quick demonstration video about how I do a little maintenance on my beard. So you may or may not want to do this, it's up to you, but this is how I do it. And if you want a great looking beard like mine, I'm just kidding, yours is great the way you do it. This is just the way I do it. So on my cheeks here, kind of coming around here, eyebrows, in these patches right here, and my nose, I break out a pair of tweezers for all these things. So I just have, like, you know, some random hairs that grow outside of the boundary lines, and I like to come in and just pull those out. Instead of shaving them off, it lasts a little bit longer, and you know, hopefully you can possibly kill the follicle or the root of your hair so it doesn't grow back anymore at all. That doesn't always happen, but sometimes it does. I've been doing this for years, and yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. So kind of a good thing to keep in mind is you don't want to really alter the shape of your eyebrows, the shape of your beard really at all. All you're doing is getting the hairs. If you look closely, if you look in the light and you look closely, you can see these ones growing, these stragglers growing around. So that's it. I mean, it's like, for me now, it's just like a couple here and there. Some of you guys probably have like really hairy cheeks, but if you can see, like this one right here, it's just like outside of the line. So I just get rid of that. As I was saying, you know, a couple weeks ago too, as I'm growing out my beard, my beard's very curly, so I'll come in, or once, you know, when it's like growing out, the hairs will actually curl and grow into my skin and like cause a lot of irritation. So I'll also take the end of my tweezers and just kind of lift those out, because you can see like that little red spot. That's from a hair like literally stabbing me, my own hair attacking me. And it doesn't take much. The brushing that I've talked about helps a lot with this, but sometimes you just gotta get something to get under that hair and lift it out. So it's actually not doing that bad. It's been a lot worse in the past, but just like that. Also, I don't have very crazy eyebrows. Some of you might have pretty crazy eyebrows. You might need to come over them with like a trimmer. If you do a trimmer, I do about a 1.5 guard, which is like 3/16. You don't want to go any shorter than that, or it's going to be obvious that you're shaving your eyebrows. Another thing that I do is I'll just take a comb and comb the hair up, so you can kind of see the little hairs that are like lifting up. And if there's one that goes like, you know, extremely far beyond the majority, just grab that sucker and yank it out. See if there's any over here. I'm pretty on top of it, so I don't really have a lot of stuff that I need to like do. But that's because I have this weekly routine. You know, when you do this stuff on a regular basis, you don't have to come in, your barber doesn't have to come in and do a bunch of work. It's just like a little bit, just like, you know, 5 minutes once a week, just tidy things up, and it's gonna make like it's gonna make you look a lot better and not take a lot of time. So alright guys, that's pretty much it. Super simple. Don't overthink it. These little things that you do, you know, every day or once a week to maintain yourself make a huge difference in your overall appearance. It's not girly. Don't do that. It's not girly. This is what real men do. You want to look your best. Otherwise, just get up and just go. Just poop your pants and leave the shit on your ass. Like, I mean, like, you know, you take care of yourself, right? So just go a little extra mile. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Oh my God.